Krobia Sante Kotoko AdajO yes officially ne which is Thursday Kumasi Sante Kotoko Adako Jachie Project no 24622 project waje atono ho a oh yeah officially project na shase or Adako Jachie. That's the phase 1. Now the outlook of the drawings after adwuma ne bekoso awie no the one work no be sia no and the screen so no the project is being financed by Otumfuo Say22 Asante Hene yensi so na yenhyɛ so project no according to Kumasi Asante Kotoko publication or my say phase 1 na hyase na me amensa videos caterpillar na ahye adwuma ase a eye adwuma wa Adako Jachie concerning this particular project that you say the screen is about 4 pitches any ha, including basketball court, tennis court, swimming pool, buildings, office, administrative block, ni nyinaa no ewo ho and hostel for the players. Ni nyinaa no na yehu screen so no. Kumasi Asante Kotoko ene day no monumental. Yes, because this particular project amount for Afrache na de bia Kotoko I say any page about 55 minutes ago and Kumasi Asante Kotoko posted we social media handles. So say the Kings project, we are delighted to announce the commencement of the transformation of Adako Jachie into a state-of-the-art training facility. Ya shall say Eduma shall officially yebe transforming Adako Jachie into the state-of-the-art facility. Also, the ambitious project is funded by His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Say22 and will be executed in multiple phases. Today marks the beginning of phase 1. Stay tuned for updates as we bring progress in the building a world-class training hub. Or say project now is being financed by Otumfuo Say22. Na project na into phases. Na enedua me no kase ya no. Phase 1 no ashase a me call Asante Kotoko for website. Bako hu say videos ne ade ni nyina no eroli wo ho a caterpillars no ashase ebu nuane ade a project no ekoso enti amanfo kase Kotoko ye ni state of the art facilities e say infrastructure to say the points ewo park so ana wo say build state of the art infrastructure ashase and we thank God say enedua ye nyina ye hunu sa da we mpai bo ne say ye nyina no ye be say hu at the end of this particular project na Kotoko ye kase Kotoko training facility ni ana say Kotoko hub ni a oba bibia bi wo ho iwia ade no ebe fepa na project na sha say no adwuma ekoso no ye the videos pictures bibia no adwuma no ba bi ebeduru bia no ye be bro ewo the Kumasi Asante Kotoko #1 YouTube hub Super 24 TV.